Hello and welcome. Take a deep breath with me. Right now, feel that? That gentle rise and fall? In a world that constantly pulls us in a million directions, that simple, conscious breath is a powerful anchor. Today, we're going to explore how to harness that power, how to bring more calm, clarity, and peace into your life through something truly transformative, mindful meditation. Ready to begin? Wonderful. Please know that there's no right or wrong way to meditate, especially when you're starting. The most important thing is simply to show up with an attitude of curiosity and kindness toward yourself. Step 1. Finding your space and posture. First, let's talk about your environment. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for the next 10-15 minutes. This could be a corner of your room, a garden, or even your car during a lunch break. Just make sure it feels relatively calm and safe. Now for your posture. You can sit on a cushion on the floor, on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. The key is to be both alert and relaxed. If you're sitting, allow your spine to be long and straight, but not stiff. Imagine a string gently pulling you upwards from the crown of your head. Your shoulders can relax down your back. Rest your hands comfortably in your lap or on your knees. If you're lying down, let your arms rest by your sides, palms up or down, and your legs uncrossed. Gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep them slightly open with a soft, unfocused gaze downwards. Take a moment to adjust until you feel stable and comfortable. This is your foundation. Step 2. The breath anchor. Now, let's bring our awareness to the breath, our primary anchor in mindful meditation. You don't need to change your breath in any way, just observe it. Begin by simply noticing the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Where do you feel it most prominently? Is it the rise and fall of your abdomen? The expansion and contraction of your chest? The air moving in and out of your nostrils? Just gently observe these sensations. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. There's no need to judge it as good or bad, deep or shallow. Just notice. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As you focus on your breath, you will inevitably notice that your mind starts to wander. This is completely normal. Our minds are designed to think. You might start thinking about your to-do list, a conversation, a memory, or a future event. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently acknowledge the thought. You don't need to engage with it, analyze it, or judge yourself for having it. Simply say to yourself, thinking, or wandered, and then, with kindness and without judgment, gently guide your attention back to the sensations of your breath. This is the core practice: noticing, acknowledging, and returning. It's like training a puppy. Every time it wanders off, you gently bring it back. Each time you do this, you're strengthening your attention muscle. Let's practice this together for a few moments. I'll be quiet, and you can just focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Inhale, exhale. Step 3, expanding awareness. Now that we've used the breath as our anchor, let's gently expand our awareness to other sensations in our body. This is where mindfulness truly begins to integrate. While maintaining your awareness of the breath, also bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations you feel right now. Perhaps tension in your shoulders, a tingling in your fingers, the feeling of your clothes against your skin, or the contact of your body with the chair or cushion. Again, no need to change anything, just observe. If you notice a strong sensation, like discomfort or itchiness, you can gently direct your attention to it. Explore it with curiosity. Does it have a temperature, a shape? Does it change? Then gently return your focus to your breath and then back to the body as a whole. You might also notice sounds around you. The hum of your refrigerator, traffic outside, the sounds within your own body. Just allow them to be there. They are simply part of the present moment. Acknowledge them, and then bring your gentle attention back to your breath and body. This expanded awareness teaches us that we don't have to be overwhelmed by sensations or sounds. We can observe them without getting lost in them. We can choose where we place our attention. So, there you have it. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when it feels easy, and days when your mind feels like a chaotic circus. Both are perfectly normal. The key is consistency, patience, and self-compassion. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Even a few minutes of conscious breathing can make a profound difference. As you practice, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts. A little more calm, a little more clarity, a little more space between you and your automatic reactions. You are cultivating an invaluable skill, one that empowers you to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and inner peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I encourage you to take this practice forward, to explore your inner landscape, and to discover the profound peace that resides within you. Until next time, be well and be mindful.